People who run small businesses will struggle from a number of different issues in the everyday running of their business. And it's things like how they find the right people to hire, how they keep the right people, technology, how they find the right customers, how they get finance, and how effectively they use all of those different components to run the day-to-day running of their business. Obviously, increasing costs doesn't help either. Finance in particular is a real key part to small businesses, and there are so many different alternatives out there right now that small businesses need to look past their traditional providers that they've used in the past and look at the services that are offered and make sure they choose the right product for their specific business, for their specific need at that point in time. So one of the great things about the finance market is it's really starting to change. There are more and more finance providers coming into the market that support small businesses. You have a number of new providers like invoice discounting providers or invoice factoring. You have some new credit card providers. And one of the areas that's really starting to take off is the new digital style lenders. So in that category are businesses like Funding Circle and Everline. Funding Circle is peer-to-peer, and Everline is effectively a working capital solution for small businesses. So one of the things we try to do, and we focus on a lot at Everline, is to make the process as frictionless and seamless as possible. And by that, what I mean is the application process is only 10 minutes for new customers and 2 minutes for existing customers. Once we have approved a loan, it takes 5 minutes for the funds to be deposited in the business bank account. And the whole aim of what we're trying to do is to ease the burden on the small business director or owner so that they can get access to the funds when they need it as quickly as possible so they can get on with running their business. So when it comes to finance, it's very important for the small business to look at all the options in the market. If you need to borrow funds for a long term to, say, buy equipment or to buy property or something like that, clearly the need and the type of solution that you're going to be looking at is going to be significantly different to if you need a short working capital or cash flow injection for a much shorter period. So it's really, really important that when a small business is considering or has a finance need, that they really have a good look at what's available in the market and understand which of the products or services are going to be better suited to that specific need that they have at that point in time. With technology and with the digital age, there are a lot more financial solutions coming into the SME space. From an SME perspective, you don't have to just rely on your traditional bank like you have had to in the past. You have the option to, if you deal with invoices, to look at invoice discounting or factoring. If you're a retailer and you have a merchant machine, you can look at merchant cash advance. If you require working capital solutions or cash flow injections for a shorter time period, say under 52 weeks, you can look at products like Everline. There are just so many more products in the market that you have a whole bunch of options to look at, and you just need to make sure you choose the right one for your business at that point in time for the type of credit you need for that specific need or purpose.